Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an awesome video prepared for you guys. But before we get into the video, I do want to verbally announce the winners of the crochet braid giveaway. I put them in the comment section, but I haven't received an email from the two ladies that won. So their name should be on the screen now. It was Michelle123273, that's her YouTube name, and also Marie Johnson 100. So you guys please send me an email so that I can give you guys instructions on how to receive your prize. I've been getting quite a few emails with people who are trying to enter the giveaway. I'm not sure where the confusion came in. The instructions were provided in that video and the giveaway is now over for that particular giveaway. But I will be doing more giveaways on my channel, so you guys stay tuned for those. So now that we have that out of the way, let's get into this video. In today's video, I'm going to be installing a unit that has some color, and I always get really excited about installing colored units because I often want to dye my hair, but I know the damaging effect of dyeing. So I love wigs that already come pre-colored. I don't have to go in and do any of that work on a wig or even on my hair and cause any chemical damage or anything, because I'm on a hair growth journey. And if you haven't seen any of my hair growth videos, you all need to look at those, because I washed my hair this past week and I was like, oh my goodness, I am seeing some fullness, I'm seeing some length. So I'm so excited, and I'm not going to really continue to do update videos until maybe like a month or so. I'm trying to get into a wash day regimen that I feel comfortable with before I share that video. So you all just be patient, allow me to go through this process of exploring different techniques and also different products, seeing what works best for my hair, and I'll share more videos on that. But the unit that I'm going to be showing you guys today is from Beauty Forever. This is what the box looks like. And when I tell y'all, I got so excited when I saw this unit on the website because it's so gorgeous. It does come with this little pack that has your elastic band, and this is one that looks like a bra strap where they have the clasp so that you can adjust it. And I would suggest for those who have challenges applying a unit and securing it down with any type of adhesive to just sew on your elastic band and just install your unit that way. Don't worry about gluing it down or anything like that. Now for me, I don't have any challenges with my edges in regards to applying gels and sprays. Now I steer clear of wig glue because I don't even want to attempt to go down that road and have any thinning as a result of applying those. So I don't use any wig glues. I'm sure you guys have noticed that on my channel. I don't do that a lot. I did do some in the past, but I haven't done those in a while, especially because I have a low hairline. So when applying the glue, it's going to get on my edges. Now gel, I don't mind that because I apply gel to my edges naturally and I don't have a problem, but in regards to wig glue, I don't even attempt that. But this is what the unit looks like, guys. So this unit is brown with some honey blonde highlights. How cute is that going to be for the summer? This hair feels amazing. And I did get it in silky straight texture. This is what the hairline looks like. And it does have regular lace. This one doesn't have transparent lace. It's pretty regular. It is light, so I am going to have to go in and tint the lace, which is very easy. I'm going to show you guys how I do that in a moment. And this is a 13x4 lace front unit. So you do get 4 inches of parting space. I'm going to try it on, and y'all know what I'm typically looking for. And that is if it's going to cover my hairline. Look how good this color looks against dark skin. And when you get in the sunlight, oh, that's gorgeous. I'm not sure if I want to do a middle part or a side part. I did a middle part in my last video. I think I want to do a side part, but we'll play around with it. Okay, so the hairline looks really good. I don't think I'm going to tweeze it or anything. As you all can see, the lace on this unit is much lighter than my skin tone. So I'm going to tint the lace now just to ensure that it blends nicely with my skin tone. All right, here's a better view of what the hairline looks like. It already comes pre-plucked, so I don't have to do that. It does also appear that they've lightly bleached the knots, so you don't necessarily have to go in and bleach the knots again. I'm going to leave them as is. I'm just going to use the lace tint in order to tint the lace, and I feel like that should be sufficient. Now that I've turned the unit over, I'm going to begin to tint the lace, and I'm going to be using the Wig Gurus Lace tint, and I'm using color Finest Mocha. I'll try to remember to leave the link in the description box for this lace tint. I'm going to spray this all over the lace, and then I'm going to use a foundation brush in order to stipple it in and then dry it on the cool setting. All right, now that the lace tint has been applied, this is what the lace looks like. we're gonna try it out and see what it looks like on. I may need to go in and cut this band off. I think I'm gonna do that because this might be too thick under the lace. So I'm just gonna do a partial ball cap method. So I don't actually secure it down all over the front hairline and then cut the whole band off. What I typically do is just cut this area here and then the rest I just leave it. All right, so I'm just gonna start here. See how now you don't have that thick band? And it stays secured, but just to ensure that it doesn't move, I am going to use the bed head spray. I'm going to spray that under and then secure it down using a blow dryer. I feel like I need to gel my edges down first. So I'm just gelling my edges down and then I'm going to go in and do that. Probably just actually lay the stocking cap down over this gel. The bed head usually dries much faster though. Yeah, I'm just gonna do that. Now we can install the unit. Now this time I'm not gonna actually cut the lace off prior to installing. I'm going to try to install it with the lace on. And I haven't done that in a while, but we're gonna see how that works out. So I'm going to position the unit to make sure it's aligned. It's positioned where it needs to be. Okay, so now I'm going to fold it back. And then I'm going to apply Got2 glue in the yellow bottle this time. I haven't used that in a while either. But I want to try this method because I feel like with gel, I'm able to manipulate the hairline a little better and get it to look really nice and sleek. And it really creates that really nice melted lace look. So that's what we're going for this time. All right, so now that that's nice and secure, we can begin adding the Got2 glue. And I'm going to apply it all along the entire front hairline. Now, if you do not have a low hairline like me, this would actually be scanned, but I have a low hairline, so it's kind of hard to avoid that when applying it. But don't worry, if your hairline is not low, it won't actually touch, or it shouldn't touch your hairline.
Here we go again. I gotta pay these bills, save something. I need 10 more hours in a day.
Okay, now that my gel is applied, I'm gonna blow dry it on the cool setting, wait till it gets tacky, and then I'm gonna pull the lace down over.
And when I'm feeling stuck, something else comes up. Sometimes I wanna have fun, but I can't. Got problems that I'm dealing with, so many mistakes I made. I'm living with so many, but I gotta find a way to make it through today. I'm leaning on a song that says everything's gonna be okay. Stop carrying problems through your life. Just let it be, 'cause everything will happen. So get up on your feet and stop worrying about things. Everything's gonna change when you surrender. Get rid of bad people in your life. Have faith and see that anything can happen. So get up on your feet and stop worrying about things. Here we go again. I gotta start all over making friends. I need better people in my space. I wanna be in love. Other times I just wanna give up. I need to learn to trust, but I can't. Got problems that I'm dealing with, so many mistakes I made. I'm living with so many, but I gotta find a way to make it through today. I'm leaning on a song that says everything's gonna be okay.
Okay, as you can see, there are some areas that do appear to be lighter. I'm going to try to go back in with the lace tint just to conceal those areas. I'm going to spray some on a little brush and then just tap it into those areas.
Stop carrying problems through your life. Just let it be, 'cause everything will happen.
right, now I'm gonna add some baby hair. I'm not gonna add too much. I'm only gonna add a little bit to this side. Again, we are doing a side part. That looks so much better. The side part over on this side.
Gonna change when you surrender. Get rid of bad people in your life. Have faith and see that anything can happen. So get up on your feet and stop worrying about it.
I'm gonna use my hot comb just to make sure everything is laid the way that I want it. I'm gonna spray some Sebastian shaper on first.
Lady, come in, let me tell you something. Lately I've been wondering if you could be mine forever. See you was like God, he must be up to something. Know you tired of running, let's just stay here together. I know your mama told you don't let guys go running off with your love.
Looking so good. Okay, now I'm gonna use my Nairobi mousse to lay my baby hair down.
If you need to get up, you done been through too much, but I ain't tryna mess this up. Hey, let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay. Hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, yeah, whatever you like. Oh my, you done stressing the night. Stay up, watch the sunrise. We just fine, yeah. You just need your vacation.
Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. Now you could actually add baby hair on this side, but I'm not even gonna bother because it's not gonna be shown. So I'm just gonna use my curling iron to give it a little bump and we're gonna be finished.
You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation. People say forever is a mighty long time. I don't know. I ain't really tripping if it mean that I'm holding you close to me. Baby girl, you all I need. Your smile is everything. Come and be my company. You need to take off for work. We can road trip in the A. We can take a dip by the bay. Hop on a plane, go to Spain. No matter the place, girl, you melt my heart like Pompeii.
All right, y'all, these are the finished results.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on.
Y'all, I love the way it turned out. This install looks flawless. The lace melted so nicely using the Got2 glue gel. And I'm feeling like, man, I need to go back to using that again. I don't know. I've gotten into the bed head and I feel like that's really easy. But for me, when I melt the lace, the Got2 glue in the yellow bottle just does such a phenomenal job. I just love the way it turns out. And this color, y'all, the stylist did a phenomenal job on these highlights. I love the intricate detail and the placement of all the highlights. It just looks so great against my skin tone. I am a sucker for black hair, but when I tell you this brown with these blonde highlights, I can't even believe it looks so good on me. I'm so happy I tried this. Wow. Like, it just really amplifies my glow. Wow, I just love it. Although this is kind of a bold color for someone with my skin tone, I feel like it still looks classy. Like, this still has a really nice classic look to it. It's not overdone. It looks so phenomenal. This unit is in length 20. It's true in length as well as density. It's in 150% density, and I love this density so much. It's so perfect. It doesn't look too full, doesn't look too thin. It's just perfect. And the hair feels so soft and silky. Although it's been color treated, guys, it doesn't look brittle at all. I didn't experience any shedding, any tangling. This hair is just great quality, and I'm loving everything about it. This color is just bomb. It's so perfect for the summer. I look forward to your comments and feedback on this color. It is so stunning. I'm loving everything about it. And I was going to change my outfit, but I feel like it looks cute with this bomber jacket. So we're just going to leave this on. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. Check the description box. All the links and specifications for this unit will be provided down there. I hope that you guys are having a wonderful day, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
What's under this outer smile?